just
Okay.
here we have our Blue Zero F-Cell concept, which will be a series car in series production in 2009 with a 700 bar hydrogen fuel cell system inside with a range of 400 kilometers, a little bit more. Very nice driving car, 100 kilowatt power, of course with an electrical engine which is driving the vehicle. And this is our compact couch application which we would like to introduce in 2010 with special customers comparable to the A-Class S-Cell fleet that we are currently have running, and this is running for already a few years.
Okay, we're just going to take a look around. We're going to walk around it.